Okay guys, just open settings, then select general, then select software update, second option. Okay, now you can see our automatic update is currently turned on. Just tap on it and turn off everything. iOS update, security and response system files, turn off this. Okay, nowadays all mobile companies are providing updates. After you update your phone, your display sometimes get green lines, white lines, or any color lines. Otherwise your display turn into green color or white color, and sometimes display will be dead, and sometimes your motherboard will be dead. It is highly costable, especially in Pro Max phones. So my recommendation is that do not update your phone. uh, do not update your phone. That's it guys. So because we cannot say which phone is going to be dead, so must use under your phone firmware, which is get the first time on your phones. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.